Hi, here's another lesson.
So we'll start.
Sorry.
So we'll start with the pelvis here. So there's 3 different bones that are fused together to make the pelvis. Yeah, that'd be great if I could use that one. You have the ilium, which is this upper portion of the bone. The pubis, which is right here. And then the ischium, if we turn this guy around, which is this portion of the bone here. And to give you an idea of how these bones connect, if you look in the acetabulum, this indentation here where the head of the femur sits, the ischium contributes part of that inner surface, the ilium contributes part of that inner surface, and the pubis contributes part of that inner surface. So all of them actually have a part of their bone in the acetabulum. Then we have the sacrum and the coccyx. So the sacrum is these 5 fused vertebrae right here, and the coccyx is your tailbone, the little end point here. The iliac crest is this whole portion of the ilium on the top here. And then you have the anterior superior iliac spine here, and the anterior inferior iliac spine below it here. You also have 2 posterior spines, the superior and inferior, that you all don't need to know. Then on the ischium here, you have the ischial tuberosity, which is this bumpy part that you sit on. And then let's get into the femur here. So the head of the femur here would sit in the acetabulum, and you can see 2 large bumps on it. This very large bump is the greater trochanter. This smaller bump is the lesser trochanter, and those are important because that's where muscles attach. Then we have the condyles. So if we go distally on the femur and see these portions that are articulating with the tibia are called the condyles. And then you have the epicondyles. So you'll have the lateral epicondyle and the medial epicondyle of the femur. Laterally here you have the head of the fibula. And then we get to the phalanges. The phalanges are the same as in the hand. You have proximal, middle, and distal phalanges. And then you have the metatarsals. And then all of these bones together are called the tarsal bones, but they have specific names. So this bone articulating with the tibia is called the talus. Your heel bone, this large one here, is the calcaneus. Then you have the navicula here, and the navicular bone articulates with the 3 cuneiforms. You have a medial, middle, and lateral cuneiform. And then you have the cuboid, which gets its own special name because it articulates with 2 of these metatarsals here.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sure.